Hello friends, in this short and quick video, I'm gonna to show you how to show empty drives. So to show empty drives, just follow some easy steps. Click on Start. Here search File Explorer. Now open File Explorer. Now in this top bar, click on these three dots. Then click on Options. Now here guys, you have to select View. Now uncheck this box, hide empty drives. So just guys, you have to uncheck this box, then click on apply, then OK. Now close it and restart. So this is the way guys you can show empty drives on your Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.